address always has to be, now you cannot put this in command on the loopback and with the IP address of another interface. You follow? You cannot configure this statement with a different IP, because whatever the IP address you configure on that particular interface is configured for the interface, the source address has to be that interface. Okay? So this is going to ensure that the source traffic of your HTTP is always going to be yy.33.33.23. And then in the call manager, you're going to configure this IP address as the device name. Okay?
When we bind it, it's
On a bind an HTTP gateway, the device name has to be this IP address, not just any IP address of the router. It has to be that. And if you don't do that, then the call manager may, and again, may not necessarily accept calls. Okay? Alright, so this is pretty much. Now, when you add the HTTP gateway and call manager, the device name, whatever the IP address you put here, is going to be the IP address of the loopback or bind command.
Device name would be the IP address.
Yeah. Now, you can use fully qualified domain name as well, like gateway.voicebootcamp.com. But that name has to be resolved to that IP. Okay? That's the key part about HTTP. Or SIP pretty much is not the problem, but HTTP is. Now, when you configure HTTP gateway, in order for you to ensure that all the caller ID, calling name, that you want information about the call, you must select anything with IE must be selected. Okay? So redirecting IE number, delivery inbound, enable inbound faster. These are some stuff, values that you may want to configure. If you do not know what those values means, go to the help. Read about that. Obviously, no single class I can cover every single feature because it's not going to be possible. So if you do not understand certain things, what it does, do make sure that you look with the help file. Display